To move all of your files into a folder and then display the folder, first step would be to click on Files. That will bring up the file location. You've already created the folder by clicking Make Folder and going through that process, so we'll just move them. You just need to check the box next to each of the items, and then there's a drop down menu here that says With Chosen Files. We want to move to another folder, so we'll click Move to another folder. Now it almost appears that nothing happened, but up at the top here you'll notice it says 10 files were selected for moving. Go to the destination folder and move files here. So we click Clinical Paperwork folder, and we have a new button here that says Move Files to here. We will click that, and now all the files are there. We can click up to the parent folder, which is the top level, and you'll see now we just have the Clinical Paperwork folder. That has created one issue in the class though. Now the link to all of these files is broken because they were linked at the top level. Now they're in a different physical location. So if I click this, we'll get an error message that says it can't find the file. And we'll just go back. I'm going to turn editing on, and I'm going to delete all of these files by clicking the X and clicking yes when it asks to confirm. Okay, now that I've deleted all of the links to those files, what I'm going to do is add a resource, and I want to display a directory. So I'm going to go ahead and click display a directory, and it comes up just like adding any other resource. I'm going to add the name of clinical paperwork. And then here in the center it says display a directory. It wants to know which directory you want to display. We don't want the main files directory. We want it to display the clinical paperwork directory or folder. So we're going to click that, and we'll hit save and return to course. And now we have a link to the clinical paperwork folder, and if the students click that, they just get links to all the files. It's actually a little quicker that way than to do it the other way, which is to link to each individual file. We have editing on, and here's the way to add an announcement. If you just click the little edit button at any of these summary locations, you'll get the edit summary box, and we'll just type in a little icon or a little bit of information here, and we'll hit save changes, and that's saved out here at the top. So if I turn editing off, this is what the students would see, is they have the announcement here. You could put whatever information you want in there. I'm going to go back in and clear it out though, so that you have a blank space to work when you come in to do it. I hope this answers all your questions, and feel free to give me a call if you have any other issues.